Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional glow effect in Photoshop. First, click on the Curves adjustment layer and darken the photo a little by dragging the curve down slightly. Next, press Ctrl+I to invert the layer mask. Select the brush tool, set the foreground color to white, and darken the areas around the photo by brushing over them. Now, select the Ellipse tool and create a loop by dragging on the canvas. Press Ctrl+T to enter free transform mode and resize the loop as needed. Once done, right-click on the loop layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Use the Eraser tool to remove any excess parts of the loop that you don't need. Next, click on the Drop Shadow effect in the Layers panel to create a glow around the ring. Adjust the settings, such as size, spread, and opacity, until you achieve the desired glow effect. To create additional light effects, click on the Solid Color Adjustment layer and choose a color for the glow. Set the layer mode to Overlay. Then, use the brush tool to paint over the areas where you want the light to be created. And that's it! You've successfully created a professional glow effect in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.